Welcome to Headline Hub Updates. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. As the first rays of dawn stretch across the Philippine Army's training grounds, a sense of anticipation fills the air. The base, usually quiet at this hour, is alive with the subtle sounds of preparation. Boots on gravel, distant voices, and the hum of readiness that comes with a new day. But today, the familiar calm is suddenly shattered by a deep, thunderous roar that echoes across the field. The ground itself trembles, sending up small clouds of dust and causing everyone to pause, their attention drawn to the source of the commotion. Soldiers turn, eyes wide with curiosity and awe, as a formidable new machine emerges from the morning haze. It's low-slung, broad and heavily armored, unlike anything most of them have ever seen before. The sense of history in the making is palpable. This is the FNSS Kunduz, an Amphibious Armored Combat Earthmover, or AACE. Designed for both land and water operations, it's a marvel of modern military engineering, built to tackle the toughest environments the Philippines can offer. Its arrival marks a significant leap forward in the Army's ongoing modernization efforts. For the engineering corps, it's more than just a new vehicle, it's a symbol of progress, a tool that will redefine what's possible in the field. Officers and enlisted personnel gather to watch as the Kunduz demonstrates its impressive capabilities. With powerful hydraulics and robust armor, it clears obstacles, carves through rough terrain, and forges new paths with remarkable ease, leaving a trail of possibility in its wake. But the Kunduz is more than just a machine for moving Earth. It's a battlefield shaper, able to dig defensive positions under fire, create protective berms, and keep vital supply lines open even in the most challenging conditions. In the hands of skilled engineers, it becomes a force multiplier. For commanders, the arrival of the Kunduz opens up new tactical options. They can now plan operations with greater flexibility, knowing they have the tools to adapt quickly to changing terrain and threats. As the armored Earthmover pushes aside debris and clears the way, it sends a powerful message, not just to those watching, but to the entire nation. The Philippine Army is evolving, embracing technology and innovation to meet the demands of a rapidly changing world. Soldiers and engineers gather around, eager to learn the intricacies of this advanced machine. Training sessions begin, with experienced instructors guiding the next generation of operators. This isn't just about new hardware, it's about building new skills, new confidence, and a new mindset for tackling engineering challenges. The Kunduz stands proudly beside the Philippine flag, a testament to modernization, strategic foresight, and a nation determined to secure its future. It's a symbol of resilience and ambition, reflecting the spirit of the soldiers who will operate it. Today, the ground shakes, not just from the weight of powerful machinery, but from the momentum of progress itself. Each rumble is a reminder that the Philippine Army is moving forward, stronger and more capable than ever before. With the Kunduz leading the way, the Philippine Army stands ready to face the challenges of tomorrow. This is more than a new chapter. It's the beginning of a bold new era, where tradition meets innovation, and the future's forged with every step. Meet the FNSS Kunduz AACE, a Turkish-built marvel designed for modern combat engineering. Unlike modified civilian vehicles, the Kunduz is a purpose-built armored amphibious earthmover. Its arrival is part of the Philippines' Horizon 2 modernization program, aimed at acquiring cutting-edge assets. Amphibious means it can operate on land and water, vital for an island nation. Armored ensures crew protection in hazardous environments. Combat Earthmover defines its frontline engineering role. Operated by the 55th Engineer Brigade, the Kunduz replaces risky, unarmored equipment with survivable, versatile power. Training and technology transfer from Turkey ensure the Army can maximize this asset. The Kunduz's integration shows the Philippines' commitment to a modern, self-reliant military. At first glance, the Kunduz might be mistaken for a simple bulldozer, its imposing blade and rugged exterior hinting at construction rather than combat. But don't be fooled by appearances. Beneath its utilitarian look lies a true battlefield fortress, purpose-built for war zones, where danger lurks at every turn. The Kunduz's hull is crafted from thick, welded aluminum armor, forming a protective shell that shields its two-person crew from the deadly threats of small arms fire, flying shrapnel, and even hidden landmines. Every inch is designed for survival. Inside, the cabin is not just armored, but also sealed and overpressurized, creating a safe haven against nuclear, biological, and chemical attacks. This means the crew can operate in the most hazardous environments, protected from invisible dangers that would stop ordinary vehicles in their tracks. When the situation demands stealth or a quick escape, the Kunduz deploys smoke grenade launchers, instantly shrouding itself in a thick cloud to confuse enemies and cover its movements. Its heavy-duty tracks are engineered for extreme mobility, allowing the Kunduz to traverse mud, sand, rubble, and debris with ease. It keeps pace with tanks and armored units, never falling behind no matter how rough the terrain. Powering all this is a robust diesel engine, delivering the muscle needed not only for movement, but also for heavy-duty earth moving, pushing aside obstacles, clearing paths, and shaping the battlefield itself. Unlike civilian bulldozers, which are designed for construction sites, the Kunduz is built to survive and fight on the front lines. Its armor, weapon mounts, and advanced systems make it a true combat vehicle, ready for the chaos of war. On the battlefield, it breaches enemy defenses, clears mines, smashes through barricades, and removes obstacles that would halt an advancing force. Its presence opens the way for infantry and armored columns alike. The Kunduz is more than just a tool, it's a force multiplier, enabling engineers and soldiers to accomplish missions that would otherwise be impossible under fire. For the Philippine Army, the arrival of the Kunduz marks a new era. It's a long-awaited game-changer, providing unmatched protection, mobility, and engineering power on the modern battlefield. The Kunduz's amphibious capability is a game-changer for the Philippines' island geography. It can swim across rivers and coastal waters, propelled by powerful water jets. No lengthy prep, just drive in, cross, and get to work. Its agility in water allows precise positioning for engineering tasks. The dozer blade doubles as a trim vane, stabilizing the vehicle as it swims. In combat, it leads assaults across water obstacles or fortifies riverbanks for defense. In disasters, it reaches isolated communities, clears debris, and restores access. The Kunduz is a true master of both land and water, ready for any mission. The Kunduz AACE is armed with a massive, hydraulically operated dozer blade. It clears jungle, demolishes barricades, levels ground, and fills trenches, preparing the battlefield for attack or defense. It can be fitted with mine-clearing tools, carving safe lanes through danger zones. Its armor protects the crew during hazardous operations. In offense, it breaches enemy fortifications and keeps assaults moving. In defense, it digs fighting positions, builds berms, and repairs roads. The Kunduz is the unsung hero, reshaping the battlefield, enabling victory. Without combat engineers and their machines, armies stall. The AACE is the steel backbone of the Philippine Army's engineering force. It's the difference between being stuck and surging forward. The Philippine Army's first batch of Kunduz vehicles is small, but it's a strategic leap. This initial cadre will build doctrine, training, and maintenance expertise for future expansion. Major militaries like the US and Turkey field hundreds of such vehicles, underscoring their importance. Even a few AACEs give the Philippines an edge many regional neighbors lack. These vehicles are force multipliers, enabling maneuver, denying the enemy, and shaping battles. The plan is to grow the fleet, equipping more engineer units across the archipelago. Today's investment is the seed for a robust, rapid response engineering force. It's a long-term commitment to controlling the battlefield environment. Advanced imports like the Kunduz are only part of the story. The Philippine Army has long up-armored civilian bulldozers, turning them into battlefield workhorses. These locally modified machines have saved lives in places like Marawi, clearing rubble and building defenses under fire. While lacking high-tech features, they provide vital protection and showcase Filipino ingenuity. This practice builds domestic skills in fabrication and armoring, assets for future upgrades and maintenance. It's a grassroots approach that complements high-tech acquisitions. The goal blend imported technology with local capability for a resilient defense. The Filipino spirit of innovation ensures the Army is ready for any challenge. The arrival of the Kunduz Armored Amphibious Combat Earthmover, or AACE, marks a significant milestone in the ongoing and ambitious modernization of the Philippine Army. This is not just about adding a new vehicle to the fleet, it's about transforming the Army's capabilities for the challenges of the 21st century. Alongside the Kunduz, the Army is receiving new tanks, advanced artillery, and state-of-the-art air defense systems. These powerful assets are impressive on their own, but it's the engineering support that truly binds them together, ensuring that every piece of equipment can be used to its full potential in any situation. The Kunduz AACE fills a crucial gap in the Army's operational toolkit. By clearing obstacles, building fortifications, and supporting frontline troops, it enables the Army to move swiftly, fight effectively, and protect itself from unexpected threats. This capability is vital for both offensive and defensive operations. In today's complex and unpredictable security environment, having credible deterrence is more important than ever. The ability to respond rapidly and decisively sends a strong signal to potential adversaries. Assets like the Kunduz AACE demonstrate that the Philippines is not only modernizing, but is also fully prepared to defend its national interests, no matter the terrain or the challenge. After all, even the most advanced tank is rendered useless if it can't cross a ditch or overcome a barrier in its path, and a convoy carrying vital supplies or reinforcements is stranded if a bridge is out or a road is blocked, leaving troops vulnerable and missions incomplete. The AAC ensures that these obstacles, whether natural or man-made, never stop the fight. It keeps the Army moving forward, maintaining momentum and initiative on the battlefield. By investing in advanced engineering platforms like the Kunduz, the Philippine Army is evolving into a truly modern, integrated force, one that combines firepower, mobility, and support in seamless coordination. The future of defense is about synergy, where firepower, mobility, and engineering support work together as one unstoppable team, ready to meet any challenge and secure the nation's future. The Kunduz's arrival is a proud milestone, but it's just the beginning. The Army must now master these systems and decide how to expand this capability. Should the focus remain on advanced imports or shift toward developing homegrown alternatives? Local up-armoring efforts show there's real potential for domestic innovation. Building a Philippine-made combat Earthmover would foster self-reliance and create jobs. The best path may be a blend, acquire proven systems now, invest in local R&D for the future. The Kunduz is a catalyst for national conversation and strategic vision. The challenge: secure the nation's future with both urgency and long-term thinking.